welcome back to the channel. We are in Elan Valley with all this snow. We're following a group of hikers. This wasn't supposed to happen, but it's good to go with the group. I got Ben with me. Never experienced so much snowfall. This is magical. So initially we planned to do 26 kilometers. So quite a big loop given the conditions. So we'll see how it goes along. This forecast for snow at 12. We might not do all of it. Want to be sensible and let's have fun. So the group we were coming with, they stopped. They're having a chat with the guy. So we're just carrying on, doing our own thing.
Like we always do.
Yes, like we always do. I mean, this place is surreal. It's like the Alps, but we're in Wales. And this morning while we were coming down the road, the valley was so spectacular. Ben, what do you think about this place?
Fabulous. Very nice. We need to do more winter hikes.
Winter hikes, yeah, exactly. We got a few layers on because as we go up, the temperature is going to drop. So there is expected snowfall this afternoon. We should be okay. Visibility is fine. There's no fog. We can see the summit, so everything's okay so far. So plotting this route, I used Komoot. It's quite easy. Just see areas of interest and you can plot a route yourself. An amazing app. Harder. The snow's so deep at the top. Almost ankle deep. More than the ankle. Oh. We are nearly 6 kilometers into the hike. The ice is very slippery here, so I'm just gonna follow Ben with his footsteps to get more traction. So from Elan Valley, this place is 20 miles on the A44. The car park is quite hidden, I should say. It's outside a private property, so it's not signposted really well. Careful, Ben. Yeah, so the hike starts from a farm, so it's not in plain sight. So you've got to walk through the farm, and then the hike starts from the farm. Starts from there. We're not too far off reaching the top. Quite slippery. This hard packed ice, So we're just taking it slowly. I think having spikes would have helped a bit more. Ben's just going for it with his UCI backpack. The group behind us, they've taken a different approach. They're a bit slow as well. So we peeled away and put nice distance between us and the other group. I want to take. We're almost at the summit. Bit rocky. The blizzard is coming in. Visibility is getting poor. I think when we get to the summit, we're gonna reassess and make our way down. What do you think, Ben? Yeah, losing visibility. Visibility is bad, isn't it? When we get to the top, we need to see what we're going to do next. It's snowing now. I don't think we'll be doing the entire loop. Once we get to the summit, I think we're gonna head back. We made it to the top, and we're gonna head back because the blizzard is getting stronger and heavier by the second. So we're gonna loop back across. Summit. Can you see the thing there?
What's this?
Yeah. That's the summit, yeah. We made it! Woo! Careful, mate. We made it. Yeah. Found it, man. Excellent. We are descending now. Didn't want to take the risk of going all the way across. I don't think we would have made it in this weather. So at least we got to the summit. That's one milestone we achieved today.
Survived the blizzard.
Yeah, we survived the blizzard. So far, yeah. We managed to eat something and we're heading back. So hopefully tomorrow if the weather holds up, we'll catch up all these miles tomorrow on a different hike. But if things go wrong, or if they're not going in the right direction, it's okay to head back. Don't be silly and do something crazy. Just be sensible and do the right thing. Something to take away from this hike. I just realized the battery's gonna die on my GoPro. That's the drawback with these cold conditions. Not flying the drone today. I don't think it'll come back to me if I fly it. So not gonna risk taking the drone out. Maybe tomorrow. We're about half an hour away from reaching the end. Oh, steep. Just worried on the way back, hoping all the roads are still open. Yeah, there's a blizzard at the top. Yeah, you couldn't see anything at the top, so we
back, we're shortening it.
Yeah, no, we're not going there. We're just having a little bit of a winter wonderland walk, you know.
It's lovely though, the snow's fun. We made it back safely to the car park. And the group that came along, I think they turned back and left. So we made the most of it, and not being with them, I think we made the right choice. By the way, this is the car park. So that's a landmark. Estate Fuggery. And then you'll see like a small bus stop. And then this is the farm where the path starts.